355, 6 Charlie Tango.
DC correct, lift takeoff, 140.
Visually, but behind us was terrible. They gave us a really bad reroute.
Roger that.
After via, descend via the Disney 5 Bravo, 921 on.
27.0, green line 79.
Approach GPS 2965, we're at 6,500 from 7,000.
Green line 79, down approach, future altimeter 279.
Head on the Homeland 130, radial 10 mile leg, and right turn.
401, Southwest 1423.
Approach for UPS 2965, can you tell us the current winds at San Bernardino again?
UPS 2804, heavy Ontario ground right, 26 left, XB Whiskey.
SDF Whiskey 26 left, UPS 2804.
6, contact approach 134.0.
134.0, southwest 146.
Right.
About 13,000 descending via the 413.
Worldwide 82, so count approach, future altimeter 299 1.
91, Worldwide 82.
Let's enter Air Smart 55, passing flight level 2004, 7,000.
Dreamline 79 is coming up with the level 10,000 on the throne.
UPS 2888, contact approach 134.0.
34.0, UPS 2888.
We have Oscar.
10,000 descending via the throne.
Cal approach, UPS 2888, leveling 7,000.
901, Dreamline.
November 20 X-ray traffic, 11 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, converging, altitude indicates 2,500. November 2292 Lima, SoCal, Roger, the Ontario altimeter 29901.
Flight check 83, got the traffic in sight, we'll slow so we can move reverse course behind them.
Flight check 83, Roger, maintain visual separation from that traffic, caution wake turbulence, resume on navigation.
Flight check 83, visual separation and no nav, thank you.
UPS 2965, heavy traffic in your 9 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound to King Air, VFR at 2,500, they have you in sight, will maintain visual separation.
Flight 965, heavy, Roger.
Jet Edge 131, contact approach 125.5.
125.5, Jet Edge 131, good day.
Okay.
Gulf 27 Whiskey Sierra, Amin, altitude maintain 7,000.
Also, Gulf 127 Whiskey Sierra. After we just are paralleling that guy's course all the way in.
Flight check 83, Roger.
16,000, descending 13,000. 27 nothing, Carlos Island. Approach Kronos 181 and 12-1, descending via the throne arrival.
Kronos 181, SoCal approach beyond altimeter 29901.
9-1, Kronos Island.
9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-1, 9-
Okay.
Flight Check A3, we're complete with this approach. We'd just like to make our right 360 and enter final for 26 right full stop.
Flight Check 83, Roger, approved as requested, and just verify you have the ATIS at Ontario.
We have all the numbers, Flight Check A3. Move. Take off 26 right, go 5678.
310, Golf 213 Whiskey Sierra.
General Aircraft Ontario, it is Papa current wind 270 at 7, altimeter 29991.
3.5, Fox, good reading. And 26 right, flight check. Yankee, 13500.
Runway 8000, Golf 213 Whiskey Sierra.
Contact approach 134.0.
340, down at 2056. Approach Delta 2256, 4000, 7000. Approach Delta 2256 to 4700, 7000.
SoCal, good afternoon. It's Camber 561, heavy out of 21.5, descending 14,000.
Camber 561 Heavy, SoCal approach, until altimeter 29901, just going to maintain 120.
46, Golf 213 Whiskey Sierra.
SoCal departure start 5678, 2000, on the Roger 3.
5678 SoCal departure, radar contact, final maintain 7000.
Roger 6000,
181, contact approach 125.5.
25.5, Cross Island. Port down, 74. 561 heavy out of 15.5, descending 12,000.
Camber 561 Heavy, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter 2991. Reduce speed to 250, then it's going to maintain 8,000.
Okay, 250, then down to 8,000
Arrival.
3802 Heavy, SoCal approach, Roger, you're clear to the ILS, runway 26 left of her.
Third ILS, 26 left, 38 of
Copy 7 Kilo Alpha, southwest north side of Interstate 10 for traffic descending into Ontario.
And say that last transmission again for 7 Kilo Alpha.
Helicopter 7 Kilo Alpha, turn right and proceed on the north side of Interstate 10 for traffic inbound to Ontario.
7 Kilo Alpha copies north side of the highway.
November 5 Delta Echo, contact approach 125.5.
125.55. Back, radio taxi.
Air Transport 3511 Heavy, runway 26 right, taxi via Golf, November Whiskey.
Okay, Golf, November Whiskey to 26 right for 3511 Heavy, thank you. Southwest 2517. approach, Governor, flex jet 599, 16-4, descending 14,000. And 1599.
2565 enrollment on the day.
5 miles northwest bound a helicopter at 4,600. They're going to stay north of your approach course.
Roger, looking for traffic, Giant 3802.
November 7 Kilo Alpha traffic 4 miles east of your position, westbound heavy Boeing 767. They're setting out of 6,500. They're going to pass up your left side.
We're looking for 7 Kilo Alpha inside.
7 Kilo Alpha, question with turbulence.
Southwest 2517, 4.8 for 7,000. Heading 110 vector for RD and maintain 1. Was that 4,000 Southwest 2517? 4,000 Southwest 2517. What did I give?
SoCal Paris 2, 4,000, requesting Approach 124.6, good day.
4084, contact SoCal,
UPS 4084, switching today. SoCal, good afternoon, UPS 4084, headed with you, 2.8, climbing 7,000 on the RG departure.
UPS 4084, heavy, SoCal departure, radar contact.
Tower now, Giant 3802, goodbye.
Yep.
40 Yankee. Ontario, hello, Giant 3802 heavy is ILS 26 left. Cleared land 26 left, Giant 3802.
Direct Guardian 12565, Southwest 2517.
nothing, flex 599, good day. Sheriff, flex jet 599, 11.9, descending via the arrival.
Flex jet 599, SoCal approach, roger.
This at 317, 180 for 17,000. Right down to 16,000, we are direct via, resuming the arrival exit jet 317.
That's for 6 Papa Zulu. Throne, crossing Throne at 13,000 and descend via the arrival for 6 Papa Zulu.
Down to 15,000, reset jet 317.
Just want to verify that you gave us the direct Throne and crossing Throne at 13,000 for 6 Papa Zulu. Direct Throne, crossing Throne at 13, descend via the arrival 6 Papa Zulu. Crossfire is published, descend via the right, looks at your 317.
Zulu's direct throne, the cross throne at 13, and then descendant via DSS.
November 96 Papa Zulu, SoCal approach, roger.
Contact LA Center 125.65.
Well done.
GPS 484 heavy gate. Kilo cross 26 right over the ground, San 30 search heavy.
Departure transport 3511 heavy out of 2,800 for 4,000 in the turn Rick Paradise.
SoCal Paris 2, we're only going to be able to do 1,000 with these cloud bases here.
And your jump to cruise whenever you're ready.
512 12,000 Alpha.
Cal approach altimeter 29990, descend to maintain 8,000.
Allison Bravo 8105.
Turn right, Quebec, cross 26 right, and go to ground. AC 7000. Thanks. Approach 5914 heavy 13000.
Approach information, Romeo's current altimeter 29990. The ILS is back in service. You want that?
Oh, we prefer, and we do have Romeo.
Cessna 981 Juliet, you're departing from San Bernardino. We would like a VFR request.
9812 Juliet, go ahead.
Cessna 170, Mike Yankee Foxtrot.
12 Juliet, squawk 0241.
For 1 Juliet.
Flex 539, descend via the arrival.
529. Look out departure EPS.
GPS 2976, we've got a bunch of other contact. Transport voice walk 4675.
4675, 44.
King VFR, out to your discretion.
Maintaining VFR.
Black 1 Hotel Charlie, plan to maintain 1000. November 7 Kilo Alpha traffic infected.
7 Kilo Alpha, copy.
Back 1 Hotel Charlie, make it to the X-side after 7,000 unless you have a train in sight.
And back 1 Hotel Charlie, we've got it inside, but we'll expedite for you anyway.
Okay, thank you. Back 1 Hotel Charlie, thanks for that. Want to maintain 1-3000.
Up to 1-3000, Medevac 1 Hotel Charlie.
Ground, 87,008.
87,008 Ontario ground.
We had an engine start issue, so we're going to tow back to the gate.
87,008, roger, approved, and advise when you be ready to push again.
Will advise, thank you, 7,008.
Tower departure, Jaws 91, departing out of Riverside, on course to Central Valley right now.
Jaws 91, SoCal approach, ident on altimeter 2989er, the altitude reading and requested altitude.
Jaws 91, we are restricted to stay at or below 2,500, and we're going to be cruising, going to get contact line.
Radar contact come out southeast of Riverside, VFR altitude your discretion.
Jaws 91, roger that.
Traffic flag, clear for takeoff, 26 right, Giant 3803 heavy.
Okay. Radar contact, find you the FX, that maintains 7,000.
Set up 7,000, yes, sir, right, heavy.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, student type is unknown.
Jaws 91, looking for traffic.
Jaws 91, the indicated altitude is 3,400.
Bush traffic, traffic 91.
CS 2192 heavy, contact your first 134.0.
24, say again, frequency?
1340.
40, CS 192 heavy. CS 2192 heavy, passing 5,000, 200 for 7,000 on the Roger 3.
Unrestricted, maintain 1-4000. Number, standby. DC November, for the terrain, turn right heading 130.
076 TP November.
Contact Riverside Tower, Jaws 92.
This is the right turn for the flight 6 cannot work. Southbound.
Flight 683, Roger. Just to let you know, I do have a heavy Boeing 767 about 10 minutes out. clearance, Roger, squawk 1025.
Primary 5 Bravo, 85,500.
Right deviation is approved. This is going to maintain 14,000.
Deviation approved. That was 3367.
Late November Delta, contact approach 127.3.
Monet and Van Nuys and Rudy.
Going to maintain 10,000.
Just a heads up, we're painting a pretty large cell just off to the northeast of Biddy and more on there. We may need to deviate just to the right, of course, past those 2 waypoints. Thanks.
What's the fix prior to Van Nuys on Victor 186, sir?
8,000.
Locked.
South 166, traffic no factor, climb and maintain 7,000.
Climb 7,000, tunnel 166.
Go right or left.
Stop the G-Stand at 13,000, we'll let you know left or right, go 3367. For now, we're 108 heading, just avoiding all that stuff, just to the east of Moron and Biddy.
And don't expect to get back on the arrival. We'll just give you vectors. 9,000.
Present heading, descend to maintain 9,000, Giant 3095 heavy.
Thank you.
It looks like you just joined it. Did you just join it too?
Yes, sir. Bravo Delta, you show us on there.
Yeah, I show you on there now.
Yep. We agree. Thank you, sir.
Southwest 166, approach 134.0.
34.0, good day, 166.
SoCal Challenger 27 to Golf Charlie 16,000, descending into Disney 5.
For taxi, Ontario altimeter 2988.
First, almost 166, leveling 7,000.
Mr. Traffic, 9 o'clock, 5 miles southwest on the Falcon, sitting at a 10,000 for 8,000. Once you get past him, I'll have higher for you.
Paradise Vortex and Victor 186 and is filed up to 4,000. Expect 320 minutes. 125.5 for departure and 6770 in the box.
Standard 811 heavy, reback correct.
16,000, we need lower.
26 right, south of 491.
Visual 6849, clear descent, flight heading 020 for now.
Approach Marine 2940, descend on the Scooby, we're out of 11-7.
940 SoCal approach, the Ontario altimeter 2988, your clear ILS runway 26 left approach.
And understand off the end of the Scooby 2, we're clear to LS.
Approach is on 4, all numbers way descend. Then 600 inbound for full stop with information Romeo. Can you repeat the squawk code? 025.
Here, flight check A3, starting a 5-mile final for 26 left full stop.
Ontario Tower, squawk 0252, 19039. 19039, squawk 0253, 19039.
SoCal approach, Skywest 174 Papa at 12,300, descending via the Jackie to arrival. We're going to be setting up for the RNAV Zulu for 26 right.
Skywest 174 Papa, SoCal approach, the Ontario altimeter 2988, reduce speed to 190 for sequence.
We'll go 190, Skywest 1.
Ground Giant 3811 Heavy at Amazon, ready to push to start.
Giant 3811 Heavy on clear ground, push back approved.
Push back approved, Giant 3811 Heavy. Ground Giant 3811 Heavy, ready to taxi Romeo.
Giant 3811 Heavy, runway 26 right, taxi via November Whiskey.
November Whiskey to 26 right, Giant 3811 Heavy.
6 right, clear to land. Thank you, Skywest 174 Papa.
UPS 2628, heavy, just going to maintain 3,000.
Yeah, November uniform.
November uniform to 410 American, 29. SoCal UPS 2918 Heavy, passing 11.4 for 10,000 on the Jackie 2, and we got Charlie.
UPS 2918 Heavy, SoCal approach, thank you. The Ontario altimeter 2987, expect the ILS runway 26 left. Cleared ILS runway 26 left approach.
Heading 230, 4,000 to establish for the ILS approach runway 26 left, UPS 2628.
On SoCal approach, altimeter 2988, no weather lining information available, French Valley Airport.
671.
Dallas 174 Papa, clear ground, taxi straight ahead.
We'll taxi straight ahead. Thank you, Skywest 174 Papa.
UPS 2918 Heavy, just going to maintain 8,000.
Down to 8,000 now, UPS 2918 Heavy.
Land Alpha 2,000.
And just verify, what turn do you want us to take to Paradise for Giant 3811? Excellent, thank you.
Tower UPS 2628 is with you, ILS 26 left, 9 miles. Runway 26 left, clear to land, UPS 2628.
Let's see. 9 Julian, north 4000 now, UPS 2918 Heavy. All right, we'll contact her. Thanks. 9211.
is climbing out of 2000, 4000, direct to Paradise.
Span 3811 Heavy, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7000. Stay again, I'll be leaving.
Roger, climb and maintain 7000. We're leaving 2500, climbing to 7000.
Altimeter 2988. GPS 2918 Heavy, you're 7 miles from Pettis, turn right heading 230, maintain 4000 till established. Third eye left, runway 26 left of road.
Okay, 230, 4000 till established, cleared, ILS 26 left, UPS 2918 Heavy.
Southwest 2141, which approach would you like?
6 right, please. Decimal 0 for Giant 3011.
Runway 26 right.
Zulu 1 and 0, 26 right, Southwest 2141. And approach, good job.
Maintain 4000, stack flight level 30010 minutes, park frequency 125.5, squawk 2402.
Thank you, have a good day. Giant 3811.
Quebec Alpha, after Victor 459 is Lima Hotel Sierra, direct Echo Hotel Foxtrot, then the phone.
SoCal Scouts 186 Echo, leveling 14 with a Romeo.
That's 186 Echo, SoCal approach, the Ontario.
ILS 26 left, Scouts 186 Echo.
Sure, you can express that.
Roger.
Montgomery Gibbs, at 5507 X-ray.
correct.
125.5.
125.5 for 07 X-ray. See ya.
SoCal, Bravo Bravo, with you 7,500.
Should be altimeter 2988.
Approach Centurion 9407 X-ray, 2,500 climbing to 55.
With 186 Echo, speed at your discretion, just going to maintain 7,400.
Speed our discretion, 7,400, that's fine.
9407 X-ray, SoCal approach, consider Cincinnati.
Not there, Southwest 1121, Taco window. Atlantic land, Southwest 2141.
250 knots, Legion 1325.
SoCal Southwest 460 at a 19.3 for 17,000, deviating for weather direct Disney when naval. We've got Lima.
Going to maintain 13,000, 13,000, the entry.
SoCal approach, Centurion 9407 X-ray, 4,700 climbing to 55.
Firewatch 51, SoCal.
Sir, 2987.
Right now, looks like we go any higher, we'll be in them. 9,500, we'll definitely be in them.
Roger, just maintain VFR then.
Alright, we'll maintain VFR here at 9,000.
Four whiskey, start to use one.
Down to 4,500.
4 whiskey, contact approach 121.3.